So keep on practicing and keep on believing. Whoa, just smash TP, bro. Okay, we are making so much money. If you can apply this strategy, okay, you can see that spike now. If you can apply this strategy every day as you're trading, just stick to this strategy, okay? Trust me, you'll be a successful trader and you'll be consistent. All right, so I want to show you guys my secret. All right, this strategy, how to make use of this strategy to be making consistent profit on boom and crash, to be catching those spikes, okay? I'll show you guys my secret and the best way to trade boom and crash successfully, okay? The best way to trade boom and crash successfully. Yeah, so if you're new on our channel, please smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for 11k subscribers. Wow, I'm so excited. Thanks so much. So I'm giving out this strategy now for free, showing you guys my top secret, because I'm really happy you guys are showing me so much love. So thanks for the 11k subscribers. More videos, more amazing contents like this will be coming almost every other day, okay? Yeah, so look at this B300. You know, B300, the least lot size is one lot, right? So I opened three lot size, about few positions there, okay? And I'm targeting this level to making $100 each position, okay? Though I know it's a long term, it will be a long term buy, because I'm expecting market to actually hit this zone pretty soon, okay? I'm expecting market to hit this zone pretty soon, okay? So yeah, it's a long term buy, but I just want to target here since it's $100 for each position. So I just target to make $100 each position and close out, okay? Then my reason for this trade. So on the daily time frame, we have let me delete this. We have market. Yeah, we have markets on a demand zone, or you call it an order block according to your guys, your seller. What is it called? Smart money guys. So we have price on a demand. That's our demand zone right there. Okay, that's our demand zone right there. You can see where we had market reversing before. All right, market reversed here and here, okay? I'm not sure back here if we had any reversal back here. All right, so let's go back to this point. So you can see we had a reversal here, another one here, and if we switch to 4 hours chart, you see that we had some significance. It's actually a psychological level on this chart. So this is it. This is our 4 hours chart. This is my 4 hours chart. So you can see this level that market reversed here, right? Reversed right there, and again 2 times here, market reversed here, here, and here. So this makes it a key zone on our chart, okay? A key zone on our chart. So I'm expecting market to pull back again to this level, this other side of the supply. This is a supply zone. This level now is a supply zone. So I'm expecting market to pull back to the supply zone before dropping again. Okay, so you know, you need to be very smart. Since I know that markets will be going back to the supply zone to start selling again, I decided to buy as it's going up to that point. Okay, so give you another reason now. So remember, we've identified support, which is this one here. We've identified a demand, okay? And then we know that markets will be going back to this supply to drop back again. Okay, so since it's going back to that supply, we can't be waiting because it's going to take days before it gets to that supply. We decided to buy from this level. So you can see now another reason. These are something that maybe your mentor will not show you. Your mentor will not show you how to do this. It's something you need to know on your own even. It's not something anybody needs to tell you. So you see, whenever I enter a trade and I must come here and give you guys my reasons, that's the best way to learn faster. All right, that's the best way to learn faster. So now we had this market going to that point and we are waiting. And you can see this level from this level here down. You can see the candlesticks we have there. We have a very smooth movement from that up there down to this level. That red, the red candlesticks from the level it started dropping. From the level we are targeting to push to buy to again. You can see the candlesticks were all red candlesticks, strong red candlesticks, and there was nothing like consolidation. So that makes that which means as we are going back to that point, we have a very free movement because there are no structures to bounce off prices, because people will be waiting to bounce off market, people will be waiting to sell at certain price and all, but when there's no structure, they will not want to sell or buy, so it will move smoothly without any challenge. Okay, so now I've given you like a few reasons now. Then on the 1 hour chart, we had a break. Okay, you cannot see that very well. Or let's say on the 30 minutes, on the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, 1 hour would give you exactly what I'm talking about. So on the 1 hour time frame, we had something like a structure here, a zone right here. Okay, you can see that place where market reversed. Can you see that reverse out there? Okay, so around this level where market reversed before, and market broke this level and went up to this point, and I was expecting market to come back to this level again and then find an entry. I'll find an entry. So when it was coming, I waited patiently for it to get to that point, and after getting to that point, when I waited, I saw market spiked. The first spike happened, which is this one here. This when we had the first spike to this point, then I know that it will be buying, so I had to wait for market to get back to this point again for me to open another position. So around this level, I opened a position right there because I know that it will be spiking pretty soon, and you can see it started spiking and it's spiking and spiking and to keep spiking. Trust me, till we smash our TP. We are close. Look at that. We are close to TP. So you can see this now. If you join the academy, this is what you'll be learning. You don't even need to wait for indicator to tell you what to do. You just look at this 1 or 2 stuff and you take your market, you make money. Even if you want to use indicator, it will tell you, when the indicator is about to lie to you or when it's going to give you money. So that's the advantage of learning, and it's very simple. I have a lot of students that are sharing their testimonies on the platform every day because they are making good money. So I'll advise you guys to join the academy. It's not expensive and it's not as hard as it seems. You might think maybe you've been to another platform before and it seems like the person is not giving, look at that, oh my god, the person is not giving you what you want, and you might be thinking trading is hard. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. You can see that. You can see what happened. It's not hard. It's just for you to keep practicing. The hardest part is like psychology. For you to know, for you to be able to make money is psychology. But doing your analysis is as simple as, so you just need to work, and with experience you'll be able to understand how to deal with your psychology. All right, so let me quickly show you guys my okay, yeah, before you can see where I put my SL above my entry. All right, so I'll move it somewhere here. I might tip it right there. It's gonna smash it really hard, really hard. Okay, so let me show you guys something. I'll make sure that you smash that like button, bro. I just dropped good information now. Smash that like button. Okay, subscribe to this channel. Let's hit 12k in no time, guys. If you want me, I'll be dropping these videos like this often. Okay, so smash that like button, the subscribe button, drop some good comments. And I know this thing might not look like it gives you you're learning something, but if you keep on practicing what I just did now, trust me, you're learning something really. Okay, so drop some good comments and check the description to chat me up, okay, of this video, to chat me up, or join the Telegram channel, okay, for more updates and all. Then what else? Yeah, let me show you guys my academy so that you see the this month's academy. Let me show you guys the batch so you see what they are doing. They are killing the market, trust me. Okay, so look at this. This is my platform. This this batch. You can see now. You can see this was yesterday. They dropped so many. My students, they are dropping their analysis here and they are making good money. They are making money. I'm not joking. They are making money. Look at that. They know what they're doing already. They know what they're doing already. This today, this one is planning to scalp. I mean to swing this trade, and it's actually swinging crash 1,000 for days now. Swinging. So you can see the analysis are dropped. Okay, so I relate with them very well every day. We relate together and show them, okay, this is what's going to happen. That way you learn really fast. My students are learning really fast, and they're making so much money. They're making good money for themselves. Look at that. They're making good money. So you need to join this platform. You need to be making money for yourself as well. You need to be making money as well for yourself, guys. Okay, so yeah, I think that'll be all for now. That'll be all for now until we meet again. So keep on practicing and keep on believing. Whoa! Just smash TP, bro.